Hello everyone and welcome back to another math class. In today's video, we're going to learn about something really useful, the HCF or the highest common factor. Now, before you get worried and think this is the wrong video since you came here looking for the GCF or the GCD, here's a little secret. HCF actually goes by 3 different names, but they all mean the same thing. Let's take a closer look. Sometimes in math, you'll see the same idea written in different ways. For example, the HCF, which stands for the highest common factor, the GCF, which stands for the greatest common factor, and the GCD, which stands for the greatest common divisor. At first, it might look confusing because of the different words, but they are just 3 different names for the same thing. If you take a closer look, you'll notice that factor and divisor are basically the same word in maths. They are numbers that divide another number exactly. Similarly, highest and greatest mean the same thing too. So whether someone says HCF, GCF, or GCD, don't get scared. They're basically talking about the exact same thing. Quick question. Which word have you heard before? HCF, GCF, or GCD? What word do your teachers normally use? Let me know in the comments so we know which one is more popular. Okay, now let's actually understand what the HCF means. The word itself tells us a lot. Highest common factor. Factor means numbers that divide evenly. So we're going to find the factors of different numbers. Common means something that 2 numbers share. So we're going to look at factors that are common between them. And highest means the biggest one out of all the common factors. So basically, the HCF of 2 numbers is the biggest number that divides both of them exactly. See? It's not that difficult. It's always a better idea to see this in action with an example. We'll find the HCF of 24 and 36. But remember, we're not going to use the proper method just yet. Right now, we're just going to understand what it is, since that will help us out a lot later on. First of all, write down all the factors of 24, meaning all the numbers that 24 can be divided by. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. These are all the numbers that the number 24 can be divided by. Now, let's write down all the factors of the number 36. The factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Okay, so now take a careful look at both the lists and find the numbers that are the same. These are called the common factors. The common factors of 24 and 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. These are the numbers that both 24 and 36 can be divided by. Finally, out of all the common factors, choose the biggest one, which is 12. So we can say that the HCF, GCD, or GCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Now here's a little challenge for you. Can you try finding the HCF of 18 and 30 using the same method we just used? List down all the factors, pick out the common ones, and then tell me the highest one in the comments below. If today's video helped you understand HCF, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. In the next video, we're going to learn the proper method we use to calculate the HCF using prime factorization. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out. That's all for today's class. Don't hate math, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.